yesterday, Rey Contreras, was against the amendment that was yesterday. I don't know if this showed up by mistake. Would you like to speak? Now, the amendment's already passed, and it's part of the bill, so if you'd like to speak, okay, you're recognized.
Thank you, Madam Chair. The first thing I would like to say is I'd like to congratulate Ken Burke. Not all heroes wear capes. Ken Burke, he is a hero. He has tackled something that most people would never dare to touch, which is guardianship in Florida. He is a clerk of courts of Pinellas County. As Floridians, I hope more people can be brave like Ken Burke. It's amazing what he's accomplished in a few months, creating these task forces and having lots of people meet regarding stakeholders, families, attorneys, judges, figure out a way that we can improve guardianship in Florida. I know most people don't know much about guardianships. They probably hear about the Free Britney movement, and the media always says that it was the father who really put his daughter into guardianship, but the people that gave her father the idea were actually the attorneys. And I've spoken to Senator Baxley. He said that these attorneys are making a career out of this senior citizen law practice. Am I right, Senator Baxley? We spoke recently. I spoke to Senator Garcia. She spoke how she loves being with her mom and living together, and could never imagine being in a situation where your parents are getting taken away. But that's happening to a lot of families in Florida. These lawyers have created a system where there's no accountability. And this database, it's a great thing. But I want to focus more on the Florida bar and what they're not doing to stop these lawyers from taking advantage of our senior citizens. They're treating our senior citizens like they're a second-class citizen. I was here yesterday. I spoke about someone literally bringing an assault rifle into a mediation to scare my mother out of her trust. This really happened. There's people here that know that I'm not making this up. Today I was on the phone with someone that she's part of my family. Her father went to go fire her lawyer, his lawyer, and showed up dead the next day. And of course, a will is generated. And now that will makes this lawyer that was supposed to be fired the only personal representative and trustee to the estate. The Florida bar isn't reeling in these bad actors, these attorneys. They're not doing a damn thing about it. And they never have. And that's why we've been having so many horrible cases in Florida where they don't want to limit how many Americans can be put into guardianships per professional guardian. That's why Ken Bill is so great, that we're finally going to understand whether there's 500 people assigned to one person. And that needs to stop.
Could you wrap up your testimony?
Sure. What I would like to ask from the Senate is if anybody wants to speak with me, I would like, you guys have the power. You know, Ken's been doing all the heavy lifting, creating this task force. You guys have the power to create an investigation. You know, start subpoenaing people. Bring the Florida bar in here and ask them, why are you not penalizing these bad actors as attorneys and protecting our senior citizens? I hope you can all speak with me after this. I mean, we really need to put an end to this. This is a good bill, but we need a whole lot more. Thank you.
Thank you for your testimony.